Is it cold where you are? I've got just the right recipe to warm you up. This one's hearty and packed with Tex-Mex flavor. Stay tuned, we'll be right back with a step-by-step recipe. Hola amigos, welcome back to Tex-Mex at Home. Today we're making chicken tortilla soup. It's one of my favorites because it's hearty, healthy, and flavorful. This Tex-Mex recipe is inspired by Sopa Azteca, a traditional dish that started as a simple maize broth and evolved into a rich tomato-based soup. To learn more about chicken tortilla soup and how to store it, stop by our website at texmexathome.com. Now let's get started. This recipe serves 6-7. For this recipe we will need 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 onion sliced, half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, 4 teaspoons of salt, 4 garlic cloves cut into quarters, 6 tomatoes quartered, 8 cups of water, 1.5 pounds of chicken cut into bite-sized pieces, 2 zucchinis cubed, 2 ears of corn, and 8 corn tortillas. First, we cook our corn. Heat a skillet over medium heat, and once it's hot, place the whole corn directly on it. Turn them every few minutes for 12 to 15 minutes until all sides are lightly charred. We let these cook while we prepare the rest of our food. Set a large pot to medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the pot is hot, add the sliced onions and cook until they get a little char. While the onion cooks, sprinkle in your red pepper flakes so they can toast in the oil and really release their flavor. Let the onion cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. When the onion is lightly charred, add your garlic cloves, black pepper, chicken bouillon, and salt, and let them toast gently for 1 to 2 minutes. Now that our garlic is ready, toss in the tomatoes and let everything simmer until they soften and get mushy. Our tomatoes are ready. So pour in 4 cups of water, give everything a good mix, and let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. While our soup base comes to a boil, let's check on our corn. It's charred on all sides, so it's ready. Take it off the skillet and set it aside to cool and remove the kernels later. My soup base is boiling, so I lower the heat and carefully blend it with an immersion blender until the broth is smooth. Now that everything's blended, pour in the remaining 4 cups of water. Now add the zucchini and the chicken to the broth and let it return to a boil. Set the stove to medium-low, cover it, and let it cook for 25 to 30 minutes. While the soup simmers, let's make our tortilla strips. I already have my corn tortillas cut into thin strips, and I'm placing them on a baking sheet lined with aluminum foil. Add about 1 teaspoon of oil. Give them a quick mix and spread them out so they lay as flat as possible. Bake them at 350 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until they're golden and crispy. There's about 10 minutes left on the soup, so I'm adding the corn now. I already roasted my corn. I give it a quick mix and cover it to finish cooking. Our soup is ready. Now we add the tortilla strips. We add our cheese, aguacate, and you could add a little bit of lime if you like. And that's it. Your homemade chicken tortilla soup. This is one of my favorites, so let me try it. Definitely worth the effort. Don't forget to stop by our website at texmexathome.com for more delicious recipes. Remember to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new one. I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego!